Hello YouTube and welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be doing a sea moss mask. So you're going to add some to a little microwavable bowl, glass jar. Put it in there for about 15 to 30 seconds. I put 30 seconds, but that was a little too long. Or if you're a real champ, you can always just put it right on your face. It will be cold because it's coming right out of the fridge. So I'm taking it out here, just going to mix it around so it could cool down a little faster. And our next step is applying it. So you're gonna put it on your face all over in a thin layer. Get in there. It's good for your hair too, so if you get it in your eyebrows, some people will put it in there on the eyelashes too to help stimulate growth, hair growth. So that's that. Voila la la la. So it's been sitting on my face for about 15 minutes. My face is so tight and you can see that it's dried. Kind of looks like snake skin. And then I'm gonna rinse it off. So we rinse. And if you can see, the skin is already looking hydrated. And just gonna pat it dry. Pat your face, ladies. And there you go, nice and soft. I followed up with a moisturizer, so you can use your favorite moisturizer afterwards. Blend that in, and voila. And you can do this nighttime, daytime, as often as you want during the week. So remember that sea moss, it has microbial and anti-inflammatory properties, and vitamins like vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids, which help hydrate and support healthy skin cells. So it does also help fight acne. It does a great job at that. And so I always recommend taking it because I don't only use sea moss as a mask, but I also ingest it. So again, you're gonna get most of the benefits from incorporating in your diet, so like adding it to smoothies and teas, however you can get it in your body, because there are so many other minerals and vitamins that it's packed with that your body will benefit from. So thank you again for watching and joining. If you like this video, give me a like, share it so I know that this is the content that you want to watch and I can provide some more. And as always, cheers to mindful eating. See you next time.